Okay, I'm gonna be plastering this hole today. The carpenter put up the new trim, and unfortunately we have a big hole in the wall. So I'm gonna show you how to plaster this with plaster Paris really quick. I got some paper, I'm gonna shove it in there. So I got some sort of backing for the plaster to rest on because it goes right into the hole in the wall. So I wanna push that past the hole a little bit so it doesn't protrude out. And this is gonna give me something to put the plaster on. I mixed my plaster with water in a bag like I normally do for jobs like this. And then I'll take it and I'll slice a hole in it. Now I got fresh plaster ready to put into my crack. Okay, big piece there. There we go. This is gonna get hot in about 10 minutes. This will give me a base to put the joint compound over so I can sand it and blend it into the existing wall. So I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna wipe it off the base with my thumb because it's hard to sand. It hardens like a rock. Okay, that's done. We're gonna let that dry, come back in 10 minutes, and we are gonna put a skim coat of joint compound right over it.